gorging on cupcakes, hearing the birds sing. All of those campers covered with off, strumming my sixth string under this tent thing. Smell those cheeseburgers starting to burn. Fooling around in nature camp again, searching for lots of snakes and turtles and frogs. Well, some people claim that there's a black snake to tame, and I know there's one under this log. Well, some people claim that there's a black snake to tame, and I know there's one under this log.
Okay, welcome to the beach show, and the name of this show is called Nature Camp First Ohio Special Edition Part 2, Having Fun with the Beach Show. Bang! We're in Ohio, kids, right now, and it's Part 2.
That's
so,
nice.
kids, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and a giant like and everything you can do to us to make us better, kids. Okay?
And this is the nature camp.
Yeah, this is the Nature
We've
Camp.
got Evan here. He's got his.
Calipiters.
You will get 10,000, 100,000 Robux.
Oh, 100,000 Robux.
More Robux, okay, kids?
Okay, now what kind of nature stuff do we have so far?
We got snake skin, a bird's nest,
taking care of some stuff.
and some calipiters. There's calipiters in there.
Okay.
Oh yeah, they're probably just eating, aren't they? I
Yeah.
don't see them right now,
I
kids.
think you're gonna die.
Oh no, we're gonna die. Okay, now we've got a light here. This is a good special light, right, B?
Yeah?
Okay, that's an LED. Now what do we have here? This is a sign. It looks like it says.
Yeah, it says Nature Camp.
Okay, and then that is a bug. And I got Evan as the guest host.
He said we gotta get there soon before the giant golem releases.
Oh no, we got a
Kids,
goal.
we're in Ohio Camp. If you can't believe it, just look. Nature Camp. The house. The tree frogs.
The golem, he got released.
Oh no, the golem's out.
Get it.
Oh, there's a moth.
Get it.
There's a moth.
Get it. Get it, kids. Get it. The kids.
That's the golem. Oh.
Kids, we're out here. Somebody's guarding the nature camp. And we're going down the hill, and that's the house. And we're going back here, kids. On the beach show. I'll check with you later. It's a kind of frog eating the beach show.
And it's, I think it's a gray tree frog. Oh, you got those things again. I remember those. Oh God. Okay, let's put them by the snakes again. Okay. That's pretty cool. Cause you got, oh, look at him there. Let's look at him this way. Get your light on there. Ooh, look at those yellow markings underneath his legs. Now he's hanging on pretty tight. I don't know what his name is.
It could be Jumpy Part 2.
Jumpy Part 2. Get the light on there, Pep Pep. Okay. Now he looks pretty happy. Jumpy Part 2.
Yeah,
He needs some bugs in there, doesn't he?
he does.
Does he have any in there?
Yeah, he has one in there.
We could probably catch him some bugs. Maybe let's catch him a moth. Oh. God. Well, he'd be happy on there because he could eat all those. All right, that's the first frog of the bee show.
Yeah, kids.
Jumpy Part 2. Part 2. What do you think? You go ahead and tell us how you caught him.
Well, I just saw like some sort of thing just like this, and then I was like, is that one? And I was like, I don't think that's one, and then I came closer, and it was one, and then I tried to catch him and he just jumped into the bush, and then I tried to catch him again and he jumped out of the bush, and then he was sitting on the leaf and then I caught him. And yeah.
That's it, kids. Got him. There we go. Oh. You got him okay, B?
He's on me.
Oh, there he is. There he goes. Oh my goodness. Maybe take him to, oh well, there he goes. Well, he escaped, but I think that's probably okay, because we're probably going to find a bunch. Is he down there? Oh, there he is.
Where?
Right straight ahead. See him? There he goes.
Oh, there.
Bye, Jumpy.
Wait, let's get him.
Okay.
Oh, got him. Got him.
You want to
Now let's.
You're going to put him back where he was, sort of?
Let's put him in the lights.
Oh.
Use bugs.
Is it hot? No. Well, okay, that's a good spot. He's like, it's blinding him, I think. Oh,
Oh.
yeah, it's too bright.
Froggy.
Maybe put him on a tree, B. Or like a nice wet spot so he can kind of hang out and look for bugs.
Let's film him.
Mammal?
He's sitting. Kids, look at it. Yeah, that's for Jumpy. Yeah,
He might jump. Some water in your nose and mouth.
I can't even catch you. Too heavy.
Yeah, but he's a tank, isn't he?
In the tank.
Jump!
Jeez!
Whoa.
Basically, no.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna drag you out in the deep. The shark's taking you alive.
I got 25. I got more than your channel. Yeah, kids.
Can you touch here?
What?
Tippy toes? Can you touch them? Your tippy toes?
Yeah. Yeah, kids. The beach show. You can't swim. Okay? What?
How about that side? Is that better?
Jump! Kids!
Careful you don't hit your chin, Pep.
I
Pep.
did!
I know, I'm just telling you.
I was thinking about the chin.
Yeah.
Where's the GoPro?
Yeah.
Where's the GoPro?
It's in the back thing. See your butt cracks hanging out.
What?
Butt crack hanging out.
Hey!
Cramp? Showing how strong he is. Do you remember this song?
Yeah.
Don't you have this on your Flynn playlist?
Yeah.
Ben's got this song on his playlist. The song was playing when Ben's Uh-huh.
This is bad.
Okay, kids, watch this.
Whoa!
That wasn't it.
Wasn't it?
That was it.
That was it?
Yeah, kids. Oh.
I'm bringing you into dry land.
Okay, kids, I'm gonna jump in the water. Okay, ready, set. That was amazing. Watch this. That, and now no stop. So, you might not hear me, but still, I'm gonna tell you later.
Yeah, we had to go in the car and laugh for like 20 minutes.
Oh!
Okay, hold on.
No, I'm gonna film. Hey kids! Watch this! Watch out, kids! Oh, I missed, kids. Now do it. Ow! Sometimes, kids, you saw it. Okay, kids, I'm gonna show you something. Okay, kids, so Papa, we're gonna go down the slide and Papa's gonna show us, okay, kids? That one. Oh. Kids aren't even facing me. Oh, they're facing me.
Bee show, the 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 bee show. Can I go underwater?
Yeah. What the heck is that? 2, 1. What the heck is that? Kids, it's the bee show.
Can I go in there?
Really?
What's it called?
The bee show.
The bee show.
Look up the bee show host if you want to see it.
How many subscribers you guys got?
Like 50. Oh, I'll get you way more subscribers. How? What? How? I'll show you on my channel. Okay. First cat. I can shout you out from my channel. I've got like 1 million subscribers. Dude, can you show first cat out? What? Does it work? Yeah. Does that work? Yeah. Is it working right now? Yeah. Yeah, do that. It's a GoPro. No! How long's it been on? 2 minutes and I can use it for my videos. Yeah. If you go into water. You found it? What? You found it? I found it. I own it. It's ours. Yeah, I got it for my birthday. Really? Yeah. Dude, that's awesome.
What was that game called? Is that the frost?
Okay, kids, it's a big yeah, kids. Okay, kids, in the beach show. Ready, set, run. Okay, kids, in the beach show. I'm out here in the water, and you guys are on a little plate, kids. Okay, and it's actually a frisbee, and you guys are floating right now in the swimming pool, kids. Pop goes the weasel. Ready, set, shake.
What? Yeah, but you can be touched.
Okay, kids, this is a mouse trap.
Okay.
So
That's
we're
pretty
gonna
cool.
set this up and see if we can catch.
We also have a squirrel trap, don't we, B?
No, it's a chipmunk trap.
Oh, chipmunk trap. Okay.
My first mosquito bite was on my nose.
Oh, crap.
Or snake. Wait, what is that? Yeah, what is that?
I think it is a snake skin.
No, I think it's a snake. I think it's an actual snake.
Kind of white a little bit.
I think that could be
But
snake.
it could be a snake. I think he was
That's
slowly
snake.
leather. Is it?
That's an actual snake. I think it's snake skin. Now that I know that's an actual
Why don't you
snake.
stick the snake catcher up there, somebody? Henry, just be careful. I don't want you to cut your foot.
Let's see this. Yeah, let's see this. Okay. No, that's actual snake. That's not an actual snake. Yeah, it is.
It'd be funny if it goes.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
six.
that's definitely snake skin. That's definitely snake skin. Yeah, that's definitely snake
No,
skin.
is that the snake puke down there?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
snake puke.
Is it actual snake puke?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, behind the board.
Once a mosquito got my eyebrow and made that little bump.
Did it?
But I think I never itched it. Doing the bee show?
Yeah.
Kids, we're trying to catch snakes with the snake-o-matic.
Yeah.
Bring it over here, Evan, and put
Snake
the
Matic
boards right
300.
over my head.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see a snake. I see a snake.
Where?
Up there.
Up where?
Like all the way up there.
Oh.
You're
God.
probably not going to be able to see him. But it's a giant snake.
Oh, really?
It's a huge. That big is giant. It's up there. Like all the way up. Kids, we caught a daddy long leg in the beach show and we put it in the thing. And it's the next day. And look, kids.
You like daddy long legs? Do you? They have long legs, don't they? Be tell Henry what daddy long leg is in Swedish.
Appelong. Kids, comment down below if you're Swedish.
Oh, yeah.